Alright, what we got going on today is storm pumps that are failing. We're getting the high water level alarm twice within a week, so I'm going to look for the root cause. I'm going to try to get this inspection cover off. But right now it's tight as hell. Alright, I'm talking in between the noise in this mechanical room. I went ahead and marked it so I have an impact here and see if I can get it to turn. I always like to mark it so I know if I'm making any progress. Let's go ahead and hit it with a sledgehammer. Problem is in the heavy rain, we need two pumps running. I believe there's a problem with this one. I'm here to troubleshoot and check it out, see what the actual root cause is. This is going to take a little time. I'll get this inspection cover off. And then we'll see what the water level is and determine better what is actually happening. Really hope that's the hardest part of my day. It's a rude way to start Monday morning. Yeah, luckily this is storm water and not sewer. Alright, let's try this. Again, the power is off. Everything's too tight, so I have to disconnect all the wires and then put them all on the new contactor. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture in case I need to reference it. Alright, another stumbling block. Those two wires back there I need something to attach to. Yeah, here we go. I was doing it wrong. There's a wire there that you got to pull up all over the tab. Once you do that and it starts separating, then I'll do the same for over here. Again, slowly pull it apart because the spring that wants to shoot out. Right. That's the spring for the plunger. Just goes like that. Opening it is the hardest part. Now we just flip this around. Now carefully put this back in. And then close the little wire. Now it's at the bottom, like the previous one was. This is my plunger from the contactor. And now I get to wire it up. Alright, we're checking on it. Plumb 2. Like I said, the light is out. I'm going to put it on hand, that means manual. And we should see the plunger pull in. So put it on hand. Plunger is in. We are pumping. I can hear it, and we're watching the float stick go down until it's satisfied. Satisfied. Oh, I have it on hand instead of auto. If I put it on auto, it'll shut off. It's off, and the plunger on the contactor is back out. So we are good. No trips. Hey, thanks for watching. That was the first time for me. I was learning as I was going. Hopefully you learned something too. If you did, hey, hit the like button and consider subscribing. It's nice to see you. See you in the next one. Hey, if you got a time, watch this video over here. Thanks. Bye-bye.